Hey everyone, another cold one for ya. So just to start, look at the waterfall. It overflowed a bit. Actually, it's still kind of doing it. Look at that. So it did come down like right over here, but it actually didn't do it that much. But it's so cool how the water's just like going on the top of the ice. The ice is pretty thick actually. Still got that running there. So just to begin, please subscribe and like the video. I am right now gonna go over here and I have all my ice balls that are in balloons. Now I know they're ready, or basically ready, because the balloons have kind of like exploded a bit, like they've opened up. So they're all gonna go along here. So first, I'm gonna shovel. I'm gonna do a quick shovel, and then I'm gonna bring them all. But first, why don't we go take a look at them on the deck? All right, here we are. So, I don't, it leaked a bit, but isn't that cool? So like, you can see here, it leaked a little bit, but like, see, but overall, it's pretty frozen. So, it should be amazing, I think. So, let's get at her. All right. So, I got two here, and I put all the lights on. I never turn the lights on during the day, but it's hard to see because it's filled with ice. So, I have no clue where they are. So, yeah, a couple more balls there. Well, here we go. All right, so here we are. There it is. So I made it, there's actually one way over there because there's the lights. And then there's lights on the side. So it's like, you know what, I'll just put them on top of each other. I had one on top of this red one, and then I was like, it's just gonna fall over. But yeah, so it doesn't look like much right now. But just wait till I light it up. So yeah, no activity down there. You just don't know if they're alive or dead. Was it yesterday? My wife found one of the koi in the skimmer. It was still alive. She went in there and it kind of just like swam away. But yeah, so I still keep these lights on. I like it. And I have the ones in the trees. But yeah, so there's a light there. So I don't know. Throw one there. I made, what? 4 extra. No, 3. 3 extra. So there's, yeah. There's 13. So yeah, I made 16. Yeah. So, yeah. I think it's gonna look great. It always does every year. It's kind of cool, eh? It's like a runway. So the first time I put these on, like I installed them, we were having a pig roast. And I wanted to put that there, all the pot lights or deck lights, so no one falls into the pond. Because like that's just an accident waiting to happen after people have some drinks and whatnot. So yeah. So ever since I put colored ice balls on there, and they just glow. It's magnificent. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait a couple hours, come back out, and we'll do a little videotape of this because I'm looking forward to it. Until then. All right. Here we go. Here they are. Nice and glowy. Yeah. Right, they look great. Look better in person than on here. And then here's all the lights. Yeah. Let's go down here. Oh, whoops. There they are. Yeah, super happy. I always love this. This is probably, like, when it comes to like these ice balls, it's so amazing. Here, let's get a picture from up top. There's all the lights. What I might do is actually just turn everything off, but those lights, but those are them. Love it. Anyhow, that is it for tonight / today. So we will talk to you another day. Have yourselves a great night.